Hello. Stop struggling to find the right words at home. In this video, you will learn the most essential English phrases for daily chores, kitchen tasks, and gardening. Whether you are a beginner or looking to improve your fluency, these sentences will help you speak English naturally every day. Just repeat each word after me. Inside the home. Inside the home. Inside the home. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Dry the dishes. Load the dishwasher. Load the dishwasher. Load the dishwasher. Wipe the kitchen table. Wipe the kitchen table. Wipe the kitchen table. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. Vacuum the carpet. Dust the shelves. Dust the shelves. Dust the shelves. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Clean the windows. Tidy up the living room. Tidy up the living room. Tidy up the living room. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Take out the trash. Change the trash bag. Change the trash bag. Change the trash bag. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Fold the clothes. Put away the clothes. Put away the clothes. Put away the clothes. Iron the shirts. Iron the shirts. Iron the shirts. Make the bed. Make the bed. Make the bed. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. Change the sheets. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. Clean the bathroom. Scrub the toilet. Scrub the toilet. Scrub the toilet. Wipe the mirror. Wipe the mirror. Wipe the mirror. Clean the sink. Clean the sink. Clean the sink. Refill the hand soap. Refill the hand soap. Refill the hand soap. Organize the closet. Organize the closet. Organize the closet. Water the indoor plants. Water the indoor plants. Water the indoor plants. In the garden. In the garden. In the garden. Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn. Water the garden. Water the garden. Water the garden. Pull the weeds. Pull the weeds. Pull the weeds. Plant some seeds. Plant some seeds. Plant some seeds. Rake the leaves. Rake the leaves. Rake the leaves. Trim the hedges. Trim the hedges. Trim the hedges. Prune the roses. Prune the roses. Prune the roses. Fertilize the soil. Fertilize the soil. Fertilize the soil. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Dig a hole. Sweep the patio. Sweep the patio. Sweep the patio. Wash the outdoor furniture. Wash the outdoor furniture. Wash the outdoor furniture. Pick the vegetables. Pick the vegetables. Pick the vegetables. Fill the bird feeder. Fill the bird feeder. Fill the bird feeder. Coil the garden hose. Coil the garden hose. Coil the garden hose. Clean the gutters. Clean the gutters. Clean the gutters. Paint the fence. Paint the fence. Paint the fence. Edge the driveway. Edge the driveway. Edge the driveway. Check the sprinkler. Check the sprinkler. Check the sprinkler. Pot a new plant. Pot a new plant. Pot a new plant. Bag the grass clippings. Bag the grass clippings. Bag the grass clippings. Sweep the porch. Sweep the porch. Sweep the porch. Wash the car. Wash the car. Wash the car. Salt the walkway. Salt the walkway. Salt the walkway. Shovel the snow. Shovel the snow. Shovel the snow. Lock the garden shed. Lock the garden shed. Lock the garden shed. Thanks for watching.